Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to link event tickets to Samsung Wallet in 2025. The first step you need to take is tap the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Then you tap add tickets, look for the plus button or the tickets tab, then select add ticket. Next thing you're going to do is select one of these options. We have the scan QR or barcode option. Then you also have the select from email or app option. Now, if you're going for the scan QR or barcode option, it means you have a digital ticket with a code, so you simply scan it. But if you're going for the email app option, select from the email app if a ticket is in Gmail, Outlook, or a booking app. Next thing you're going to do is to follow the prompts to import the ticket. Ensure details like the event name, the date, the seat number are correct before saving. Then access your ticket anytime you want. Your ticket will now appear in the ticket section. Just tap it to view or show it at the event entrance. Here are some pro tips. It works perfectly with tickets from Eventbrite, Ticketmaster, AXS, and airline boarding passes. Also, don't forget to enable auto updates in the Samsung Wallet settings to keep tickets synced. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. This information I've given to you has been confirmed. The steps are confirmed based on 2025 Samsung Wallet One UI 7.0. It covers all major ticket providers. There's no missing steps, and it's tested on both QR-based and email linked tickets. Hope you found this video helpful.